I have my own desoldering tool on the bench today. Desolder sucker that refuses to suck. It's not much good. It melts it okay on this side. It just doesn't suck it up into the reservoir. As I've been inside it, as you can see. Oops. I'd initially hoped that it would have been this tube here from the inside. Silicon tube that was cracked or something, but no. Let's show the inside. Just one note on these. Some of these, there's about 3 different lengths of screws in there. Oh, that was an S-993 while we're at it. Let me turn this around. I found the culprit, which is this part here. I've already started to disassemble it, as you can see. This is the solder pump, the actual part that produces the vacuum, and it has a whopping big hole in it, big gap. I just spent an afternoon looking for spare parts for these. Not a sausage, not even close to a sausage. So I've been looking for some just diaphragms separately. There's something similar. Let's see if I can repair this one first. That's what it looks like. This rubber bit seems to be in 2 parts. This top part, which is hard plastic, looks like it's screwed onto this rubber diaphragm. What can I use for that hole? Super glue maybe? It's probably never going to work. It's going to be wobbling about 100 times a minute, so once the motor's running, nothing to lose. That's my improvised clamping jig. Just put a bit of cheap super glue on it. Put some weight on it. And leave it for a while. Let's see if that worked or whether it was an abject failure. It's closed up, eh? Trying to pull it too hard. That might even work at a pinch. I'll put it back in. That's it back together and heated up. Now let me set up some kind of test for it. I've set up a blob on top of the board here. There's nothing underneath it. Melts. Look at that. Nothing behind it. What was it? That hole. Perfectly clean. Superb. And all for a drop of super glue. Let me do it again. It's handy with this, you can even apply solder with that. You can use this as a soldering iron. Nice massive blob in the corner. Just doing it so that can be seen. Wait for it to melt. Yes. If that's been of any use to anyone, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. Don't forget the kebab.